These extra long neck heat wraps are very flexible. We made them with one side fleece, the other side is high-end t-shirt cotton. They're flexible. You can see when you use them, they are very comfortable. You can see how flexible they are. And if you put them around your neck or your shoulder, your arm, and anywhere, it's very flexible. And we use another side is cotton, so the heat can permeate. You can feel the heat much better. So this is our improved design. If we put a cover on, it needs to be thin. And it just doesn't feel as comfortable because the fabric needs to be stretchy too. It just and also another layer of fabric blocks the heat, so you don't feel the heat as well. It defeats the purpose of this heat therapy. Another thing is we buy the fabrics in the US, we cut, we make, we sew, and it's costly. Seattle labor is really expensive. It costs us $10 and nobody wants to buy it. So we have a newer product. This is the newer design. The fabric is even thinner than this cotton, t-shirt cotton, and it's very flexible. One side is fleece and the other side is cotton. It's really flexible and you can use it anywhere. We like it a lot. We have different prints. Very flexible, and they're light. A lot of seniors complain our neck wraps are too heavy. This is 2.5 pounds, but seniors say, oh, I can't even lift this. This is 1.5 pounds. It's lighter, it's easier. You can use 2 of them in replace 1. So I think yeah, people like it.